Now we will look at another question on this concept only. The series is 3, 4, 12, 45 and 1005. It is increasing disproportionately. So as is it increasing disproportionately, we came to know that this is a concept of maximum slope, means something is getting multiplied. So here we don't know that 45 gets multiplied by what and this missing term come, then this missing term gets multiplied by what and this 1005 came. But from here 12 and 45 we can say that it is nearly 3 times. From 4 and 8, if it is 3 times, so it will be 2 times and it will be 1 times. So just write from here into 1 plus 1 into 2 plus 4 into 3 plus 9. So into 4 plus, now the rule is confirmed, into 1 plus 1, then into 2 plus 4, then into 3 plus 9. So what will be the next number? The next number will be into 4 plus how much? Now here we see that it's 1. 1 means 1 square. 4 means 2 square. 9 means 3 square. So here what will be 4 square? So that will be 16. So into 4 plus 16. So 45 into 4 plus 16. 45 into 4. How do you calculate? 45 into 2 is 90, into 2 180 and plus 16. So it become 196. 196 is again not there in the option. So our answer will be 5. None of these. Now let's proceed to another type. This type is known as the mean slope. Now what do we mean by mean slope? This mean slope is actually the mean of maximum and medium slope. In medium slope we were witnessing that the number, every successive number was either 2 times, 2 times, 2 times, 2 times, or 3 times, 3 times, 3 times, 3 times. And in the maximum slope we have witnessed that every successive number was 1 times, 2 times, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times like this, or 2 times, 4 times, 6 times like this. It was increasing disproportionately and it was increasing in a constant way. So in between there comes a type that is known as mean slope. There the number gets increased like 0.5, 1.5, 2.5 or 0.5, 1 times, 1.5 times, 2 times, 2.5 times like this. Okay, so let's see at one of the example. The example here is 5, 3, 4, 7.5, 1745. So we see that how, again we will see at the slope. So this 45 and this 17. 45 is a greater number, 17 is a smaller number. Just below that 45. So 45 is how much time of this 17? So by looking at this we can say that it's nearly 2.5 times. Now this 17 is how many times of this 7.5? So by looking we can say that it's nearly 2 times. 2 times. So now 4 and 7.5, so it is nearly 1.5 times. Like this we can say that. So from here we came to know that if we see that any slope is of the type 2.52, means it is of the nature mean slope, means either it will start with 0.5 or it will start with 1.5 like this. So now just look at the start. It's 5, then 3, then 4, then 7.5. So 5, after 5 the number gets decreased and it comes to 3. So means it is near about half. So it's 0.5. So how do we reach at the conclusion? So we reach at the conclusion that it is of the nature 5, 3, then 4, 7.5, 4, 7.5, 1745, 1745. So here it is 0.5. So 5 into 0.5 is 2.5. So you add 0.5 over here. So here into 1 plus 1. So here it will be into 1.5 plus 1.5. Here it will be into 2 plus 2. Here it will be into 2.5 plus 2.5. Like this. So here it will be into 3 plus 3. this mean slope will increase in this way. You can write how you reach at 3 by this 5. So you multiplied 0.5 and then added 0.5. How you reach at 4? So you multiplied 1 and then added 1. How you reach 7.5? You multiplied 1.5 and then added 1.5. By these three results, the rule gets confirmed that it is of the mean slope and it is of the nature 0.5 plus 0.5, 1 plus 1, 1.5 plus 1.5, like this. So now 45 into 3 is how much? 135 and plus 3, so 138. Now how the question will be there in the examination? Now whenever you see any point in the series, so 99% of the cases this will be of mean slope. Now 2.25 and 4.5, so it's 2 times. Now 1.5 and 2.25, so here we don't know how to write it, but here 1.5 and 1.5, so it's 1 times, so definitely it will be 1.5 times, so it will be 0.5 times. 3 into 0.5, 1.5, 1.5 into 1 is 1.5, 1.5 into 1.5 means 1.5 into 1.5. It's very easy. If we know what is the square of 15, we can say 225 and decimal after before that 2 digit, that is 2.25, and then 2.25 into 2, that is 4.5. Now 4.5 into how much? So it will be 2.5. Now how to calculate 4.5 into 2.5? So 4.5 into 2 is 9 and half of 4.5 is 2.25. Now add this, it will become 11.25. Now your answer will be 11.25. So whenever you see any decimal in the series, in 99% of the cases it will of the nature mean slope, like something half, 1, 1.5, 2, 2.5 times will be there. Okay, now in this question 7, 4, 5, 9, 20, no decimal is here. Now how to recognize it? So 9 and 20, it seems to be near about 2 times, and as you look at 7 and 4, so this 4 is near to half times of this 7, so write here into 0.5 and then plus 0.5, then 4 and 5, so just write it into 1 plus 1, then 5 and 9, so can you write it here into 1.5 plus 1.5. Now the rule gets confirmed. It is of the nature into 0.5 plus 0.5 into 1 plus 1 into 1.5 plus 1.5, so into 2 plus 2. Now the next number 20 into 2.5 plus 2.5. So 20 into 2.5 is how much? 20 into 2 is 40 and half of 20 is 10, so it's 50, and add 2.5 over here, so it's become 52.5. Now the answer will be C, that is 52.5. Now the fifth type, that is ups and down series. This is also a special type of series. In this type of series, one number is increasing and the next number is decreasing, and so on. So the increase or decrease is either in the form of addition and subtraction or multiplication and division. Like you will find that one number is 1 times, other number is half, then the third number is 3 times, other number is 1/4, then the fifth number is 5 times, other number will be 1/6, like this. Or you can find it that next number is +1, other number is -2, next number is +3, other number is -4, like this. Let us look at the example. Here it's written 10, 12, 8, 14, 6, 16. So 10 plus 2 minus 4 plus 6 minus 8 plus 10. So here in the series we are witnessing that 10 2 something is getting added, then 12 8 something is getting subtracted. Ups downs means 10 plus 2 12 minus 4 8 plus 6 So this is ups downs type of series. Now in the ups downs type of series, we have witnessed the rule, that is the rule is +2 -4 +6 -6 +10. So -12, 16 -12, that is 4. Okay, so this was in the terms of addition and subtraction. This example, 6, 6, 3, 9, 2.25, 11.25. Now what about this? This seems to be constant, then this is decreasing, then increasing, then decreasing, then increasing. So by this result, it is confirmed that this is ups and down series. Now how to recognize the ups and down series? Either something will be getting added or subtracted, or something will be multiplied and divided. So 6 and 6. So can we say that it is into 1? Then this 6 and 3. So it's divided by 2. Then this 3 and 9. So it's 3 times. So now the rule gets confirmed. It's 1 times. It's divided by 2. It's 3 times. So it's divided by 4. So 9 divided by 4 is 2.25. Then this 2.25 gets multiplied by 5. So it's 1.5, 11.25, and like this the series keeps on going. This series is like this: into 1 divided by 2, into 3 divided by 4, into 5 divided by 6, and keep on. Now look at the question, that how the questions comes in the examination on ups and down series. Here we see that 114, 115 increasing, then 115 to 107 decreasing, then 107 to 134 it's increasing, then decreasing. So either something will be getting multiplied, divide, or something will be getting added or subtracted. Now as we look, we don't find that 115 and 107 is there any relationship between the division part or the multiplication part. Now 107 and 134, again it doesn't seems that there is some relation between the either in the addition either in the multiplication or in the division part. So we will start with the addition subtraction. So here we will write it's getting 1 added over here 115 and 107. So how much it getting subtracted? So -8. Then again 107 and 134. So here we see that plus 27 is getting added. Then 134 and 70. So here 64 is getting subtracted. So now we look at the series. That series is +1 -8 plus 27 minus 64. So we recognize that it is 1. But when we see that this is 8, we can say that it's 2 cube. When we see that it is 27, we can say that it's 3 cube. So when we see it's 64, we can say that it's 4 cube. So this series is like +1 cube, -2 cube, +3 cube, -4 cube, +5 cube. 5 cube is 125. So add 125 this to this 70. 70 plus 125, this will be 195. So our answer will be third. This is a type of ups and down series. Now again the second question on this ups and down series. The series is of the nature 264, 262, 271, 243, 308. Now what will be the next term? So here as we look that it's decreasing, then increasing, then decreasing, then increasing. So we came to know that it's ups and down. Now here is 308, and is there any relationship between 243 and 308 in between the multiplication part or in the division part? No, it doesn't seems to be. Now look at 271 and 243. So we come to know that there must be getting added or subtracted. So here how do you reach at 262 from this 264? So you subtracted 2 over here, then you add something, 262 to 271. So what is getting added? 9 is getting added over here. Then 271 and 243, what is getting subtracted? 28 is getting subtracted. Then 243 and 308, what is getting added? So plus 65 getting added. Now look at the rules. -2 plus 9 minus 28 plus 65. So this is also one special type of rule. This is this 65. From this 65 we can say that it is near to 4 cube. 4 cube plus 1. From this 28 we can say that it is near to 3 cube plus 1. From this 9 we can say that it's either 3 square or it's 2 cube. Okay, from this 2 we can say that it's either 1 square plus 1 or 1 cube plus 1. But as we look at this 28, we are confirmed that it's 3 cube plus 1. So it will definitely be 2 cube plus 1. So it will be 1 cube plus 1. Now the rule is confirmed. 1 cube plus 1, 2 cube plus 1, 3 cube plus 1, 4 cube 5 plus 1. So it will be 5 cube plus 1. Now minus 1 cube plus 1 plus 2 cube plus 1 minus 3 cube plus 1 plus 4 cube plus 1. So minus 5 cube plus 1. 5 cube plus 1 is 126. So subtract 126 from this 308. What will be the result? The result will be 182. So our answer will be 2, 182. Okay, this was a type of ups and down series. Now the sixth type of series, that is 2 series. In this type of question, we recognize the series in every alternate number. Like the series will be A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. So there will be logic between A and C, C and E, E and H. And there will be logic between B and D, D and F. Sorry, E and G over here. D and F and H. Here I have written A, C, E, G, B, D, F, H. Now let us look at the example. There it's written 100, then 1, then 90, then 2, then 80, then 3, then 70, then 4. It looks like ups and down series. But actually is it ups and down? No. You will not find any relationship between this. Now how to find it? So let's look. It is 100, it is 90, it is 80, it is 70. So alternate logic. Try to find the logic in the alternate number. So 100 and 90 minus 10, then 90 and 80 minus 10, then 80 and 70 minus 10, then the next number will be 70 minus 10, that is 60. And here you will find the logic 1 and 2 plus 1, 2 and 3 plus 1, 3 and 4 plus 1, then it will be 4 plus 1, 5. Like this. The series keeps on going. Now how the question comes in this type of two series type. So here it is written 64, 128, 92, 220, 148, 404. Now you must be tempting to see this number, that 404 and 148. You can say that it's near about 2.5 times. Now as you look behind, it will be 220 and 148. So you will find no logic over here. Okay, so this is not a concept of maximum slope, minimum slope, medium slope. Okay, neither mean slope. Now ups and down, you can say that 64, 128, 128, 92, 92, 220, 148. So either it will be in the form of ups and down series, or it is a type of two type series. Okay, now look at it. 164, 128, 92, 220, 148, 404. So let's proceed for the alternate number 64 and 92. How much is the difference? Plus 28. Then 92 and 148. So it's plus 56. Here it seems that 28 into 2 is plus 56. Okay. Then try to find the logic over here. 128 and 220. How much is the difference? Difference is 92. Then 220 and 404. How much is the difference? Difference is 184. Now the rules are confirmed. It's every alternate number is getting added by twice of this. That is 28, then 56. So it will be 56 into 2, 112. So add 148 and 112, it will become 260. So our option will be 4. If we have to find it further, so the next number will run on this series, this alternate series, that is 128 and 220, 92, then 184, then 184, twice of 184 will be 368. So you will add 404 to this 368 if the question is on this. Now we have seen the question on ups and down and two type of the series. Now the next question on two type series, like here it's 7, 20, 13, 26, 69. Now as you look at the last number, it's 19, then 26, so it seems to be something ups and downs type, or it is a type of two type series. So let's see what is it. 7, 20, 13, 26, 19. So as we look at the alternate numbers 7 and 13, it's plus 6, then 13 and 19, it's plus 6, then 20 and 26, it's plus 6. The rule is confirmed that every alternate number is getting added by 6. Now 26 plus 6 will be 32. Now the answer will be 2. That is, so this is also a type of two type series. Okay, so today we have learned all the type of series, that what type of the series are asked in the examination. Whatever the question will come in the examination, the question will be on this type only. In our next lecture we will see wrong number series and some special type of series which are just asked in the mains examination. So we will cover over that. So thank you for today. Have a nice day.